Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium vinyl seat trim, GVWR, 9,900 pounds, 4490 kilograms, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Tire, spare LT 245/75R17E all season, black wall and the pickup box, delete. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.